Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an extra $1,000 a week. We're diving into a step-by-step guide that will empower you to earn that extra cash, whether it's through freelancing, online business, or leveraging your existing skills. Whether you're looking to boost your income to tackle debt, save for a dream vacation, or replace your 9-to-5, I've got actionable steps you can start right away. No more fluffy talks, we're getting down to brass tacks with clear strategies and real-world examples. It takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn, but the rewards can be life-changing. Be sure to watch till the end for some powerful bonus tips to increase your earnings even further. Let's dive right in. The first step to making serious cash is figuring out what you're good at, your zone of genius. What is it that you can do better than most people? What do people always ask you for help with? This could be anything from graphic design, copywriting, or social media management, to coding, tutoring, or even selling products online. Think about it. Are you a master organizer? Maybe you have a knack for writing captivating social media posts. Whatever your strength is, there's a market for it. Trust me, there are people and businesses out there willing to pay for your expertise. If you're not sure what your skills are, think about what you enjoy doing. Often your passions can be monetized with a little creativity. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are perfect places to explore job opportunities based on your skills. And remember, don't be afraid to start small. Even a few small gigs can add up quickly. You gotta start somewhere, right? So you've identified your niche. Awesome. Now it's time to show potential clients what you're capable of. Think of your portfolio as your online resume, showcasing your skills and experience. Even if you're just starting out, create sample projects to demonstrate your abilities. A simple website, LinkedIn profile, or a well-structured PDF can work wonders. Highlight your best work, keep it clean and professional, and make it super easy for clients to contact you. Add client testimonials or mock reviews to build initial trust. Your portfolio is your chance to make a killer first impression, so make it count. You've got your niche and a killer portfolio. Now it's time to find some paying clients. Start by leveraging online platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Create compelling profiles, highlight your skills, and start submitting tailored proposals. Another goldmine for finding clients is Facebook groups related to your niche. Network, engage in conversations, and pitch your services confidently and consistently. Remember, you're providing value, so don't be shy about letting people know what you can do. Don't underestimate the power of local opportunities. Small businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs in your area might need your services but don't know where to look. Hit the pavement, attend local networking events, and spread the word about your awesome skills. The real hustle comes in here, but the rewards are worth it. Congratulations, you've landed your first few clients. Now it's time to scale your income. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, don't be afraid to increase your rates gradually. Your time and expertise are valuable, so make sure you're being compensated accordingly. Introduce package deals for long-term projects to ensure a consistent stream of income. Offer monthly retainers for ongoing work to create a predictable income stream and build deeper client relationships. Ask for referrals and testimonials from satisfied clients. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful. This is where things get really exciting. Now, I promised you some bonus tips to accelerate your journey to $1,000 a week, so here they are. First up, diversification is key. If you're freelancing, consider adding affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering coaching or consulting services. Embrace automation to free up your time for what matters most, serving your clients and growing your business. Use tools like Calendly for scheduling or Zapier for workflow automation. Never stop learning. Invest in online courses, attend workshops, and stay up to date on the latest trends in your industry. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, and the more you can charge for your services. And that's it. You now have a clear step-by-step roadmap to earning an extra $1,000 a week. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the consistent effort, building your skills, and providing real value to your clients. With dedication, consistency, and the right strategy, you can definitely achieve this goal and even surpass it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share it with someone who needs this information. Let's spread the knowledge and empower each other to achieve financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. I'm excited to see you crush it. Until next time, keep hustling and keep growing.